Hello, now let's understand SLA Lifecycle. SLA Lifecycle consists 6 steps. First, discover service provider. Identifying a service provider that can meet the needs of the organization and has the capability to provide the required service. This can be done through research, requesting proposals, or reaching out to vendors. Second, define SLA. In this step, the service level requirements are defined and agreed upon between the service provider and the organization. This includes defining the service level objectives, targets that will be used to measure the performance of the service provider. Third, establish agreement. After the service level requirements have been defined, an agreement is established between the organization and the service provider. These agreements should include the SLA, any penalties for non-compliance, and the process for monitoring and reporting on the service level objectives. Fourth, monitor SLA violation. This step involves regularly monitoring the service level objectives to ensure that the service provider is meeting their commitments. If any violations are identified, they should be reported and addressed in a timely manner. Fifth, terminate SLA. If the service provider is unable to meet the service level objectives or if the organization is not satisfied with the service provided, the SLA can be terminated. These can be done through mutual agreement or through the enforcement of penalties for non-compliance. And the last one is enforce penalties for SLA violation. If the service provider is found to be in violation of the SLA, penalties can be imposed as outlined in the agreement. These penalties can include financial penalties, reduced service level objectives, or termination of the agreement. Thank you.